Oh, they take Apple Pay. All right.
What kind of stuff?
The ice cream boat takes Apple Pay. I don't know how you're going to do this.
Oh my God, no.
Oh my God.
That's not a good idea. Bro, I don't care. Get it wet.
He's going to do it.
Rex. Oh my God.
What in the hell is wrong with him? First of all, he didn't go in at the right place.
That's why you should have went down further.
Oh no.
Come on. The further you go, the worse. Oh my God. I'm just going to swim over there and eat it over there.
Yeah, here, go.
No.
Go.
I'm not jumping in. I can't.
Her and her dive. Oh my. Her and her dive. Oh my God. Oh God. Yeah, that's worthless.
Yeah.
Oh God, no.
Now you gotta. Lily.
It's coming to you.
Come forward. You're gonna have to come forward at some point.
These two, if I can. Oh my God. They're now having the sandbar picnic with their ice cream. Saltwater ice cream.
Yeah, saltwater.